Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the magic add-on airdrop on Solana. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now the overall valuation of magic add-on is above 1.6 billion, which is a huge valuation to be honest, and we could potentially see a big airdrop similar to what Jupiter did because Magic Eden is the largest NFT marketplace on Solana, and I think so this airdrop should be a decent airdrop. Now for farming this airdrop, I have only kept a budget of zero point 0.1 Sol, not much, and I will show you exactly what you can do in order to qualify for this airdrop. Now the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to download a wallet of Magic Eden. So simply Google Magic Eden wallet and add Magic Eden wallet to your Chrome browser. Now once you set up your wallet on the Chrome browser, all you have to do is you go over here, and over here you set up your profile basically. So these are my wallets which I will be using in the future in order to qualify for this airdrop. Now I have transferred like zero point 0.1 Sol from my other wallet, which is Solflare wallet, to this wallet. Now the first thing that you can do is basically you can go and check this NFT for matter, because as you can see the price of this NFT is free and the number of items are unlimited. So I would suggest is, in order to have a transaction on Magic Eden with Magic Eden wallet, you go ahead and mint this NFT. So I will go ahead and mint this NFT. Now we'll wait for the transaction to go through, and I will simply go ahead and approve it. So the next step that you can do is basically, if you have an existing Solana wallet and if you have some NFTs on that wallet, for example, I will take the example of this wallet. I will go here and send my existing NFT collection to this wallet. So first I will go ahead and copy my address over here, and then I will go to my Solflare wallet, and then I will click on send. Now I will simply go ahead and paste the wallet over here, and I am sending this NFT collection, and I will press on confirm. So now we are waiting for both the transactions to be completed. As you can see, this transaction has been submitted and also this send transaction has been submitted. Now this is done. And the next step that you would like to do is you go to Magic Eden and search for some very low priced NFTs. So I know of only Pong NFT because I'm not that much active on the Solana ecosystem in the NFT section, to be honest. With meme coins and other coins and tokens, I've already purchased a lot on Solana. So all you can do is you can go and search for Pong, or maybe if you know some low priced NFT, you can go ahead and search it. Now I'm not able to find Pong. Okay, it's over here. Now what I will do is basically I will buy like 2 or 3 of this. So I will go ahead and buy this one. So this is a bit expensive for me. Let me check how is the instant buy over here. Yeah. So I will go ahead and buy this NFT now. Now the next thing that you will need to do is, once the transactions are completed, all you do is you go to rewards over here, and as you can see there are the diamond quests that you will need to complete. Now we have minted one NFT and we have purchased one NFT. So the next step that you will like to do is you will need to start listing these NFTs. Now for some reason my NFTs are not loading, and the thing is, like, you can set up your profile over here first. So as you can see, username, display name and all these things, because the transaction is still on the way. I don't know why it's taking a bit of time, but once your NFT reflects over here, all you can do is you can go ahead and list this. For example, this NFT is showing over here, and I will go ahead and list this for 0.009. So I will go ahead and list this. I will click on approve, and it will get listed in some time. Now we'll go back to rewards again. So as you can see, I have earned like 0.29 diamonds, and you can keep collecting these diamonds. Now this rewards section is not loading. I will go over here again. As you can see, the total diamond is now 1 diamond. Now you can go ahead and create a collection offer. Now again, for a collection offer, I will search for Ponk, and I will make the collection offer for maybe like 2 items, and simply click on go ahead and buy. So now I have approved the transaction again, and I have purchased couple of Ponk NFTs again. I mean, this is just for the airdrop purpose. I'm not interested in the Ponk NFTs at all. Maybe in the future I might look into Solana NFTs and purchase some of the blue chip NFTs, to be honest. Because currently I am active on ZK Sync era, on Scroll, on all the L2s basically on Ethereum. And I had a few NFTs on Cardano also, and few on Solana, not much to be honest. So in the future I will go ahead and do it. So basically what you can do is you can keep doing this every day. If you have lot of NFTs on your other Solana wallet, maybe you can transfer it, or maybe you can keep transferring in between wallets, but don't do it much, because I'm not sure whether there would be a Sybil for this airdrop, but I don't think so, because on Solana there is not much issue of Sybils. So I will use all of this Solana in order to mint some NFTs, list them, sell them, then buy again, and you just have to keep doing this in order to qualify for the airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.